Good morning, everyone. Grade 6 students, if you can hear me and see my screen properly, please raise your hand. Thank you, Salim, Khalid Nawaf, Abdullah Muhammad, Firas, Gheith, Muhammad Ali Eid, Ali Jafar, Yusuf Fuad, Talal Bashar. All of you students, thank you all. And now, students, kindly put your hand down so that we can start our lesson. Great. Let's cut to the chase and start our lesson today. Today, inshallah, students, we are going to have the last lesson in Unit 9. Just to remind you that the title of Unit 9 is Good News, Bad News. Today, inshallah, we will have phonics. Students, by the end of our lesson today, we are going to achieve these two objectives. By the end of our lesson today, hand in hand, you should be able to, number one, to recognize, to identify and learn some words ending with L and all sounds, L, E and AL sounds, which is pronounced like L and all sounds. Objective number two is to realize that some words ending with L and all sounds the same. So students, let's start with our lesson today with a short video. You are going to watch a video, and in this video you are going to watch a short story about an apple, and you have to write all words that end with L sound or LE letters. So students, are you ready?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, we are ready.
Okay, if you have got a problem with the sound, please tell me. Let's start.
Kids versus phonics. L. Little. Hello. Apple. Little apple. Table. Middle. Middle of the table. Little apples, come to the middle of the table. Story time. Once upon a time, a bad little apple left the table. The bad little apple went for a swim in a puddle. But apples cannot swim, and an eagle got him. Did the eagle eat the bad little apple? No, he dropped the bad little apple into the jungle. And the tickle pickle got the bad little apple.
Bad little apple, do-do-do-do. Bad little apple, do-do-do-do. Bad little apple, do-do-do-do. Bad little apple.
And the tickle pickle tickles and tickles the bad little apple forever. In the end, the good little apples don't leave the table.
Bad little apple, do-do-do-do. Bad little apple.
Well, students, after you watch this nice story, I ask you to write as many words as you can that end with the sound L or LE letters. Write in the chat box. Firas, excellent. Khalid Ahmed, bravo, wow. So students, we have got Firas and Khalid, they say that little, apple, table, middle, puddle, eagle, jungle, tickle, pickle, and leave, no leave for us, that it doesn't end with L sound, but anyway, your answer is correct. Your answer is awesome. Khalid Ahmed says little, apple, table, middle, puddle, eagle, and jungle. Excellent. Both of you are great. So, students, get ready. You are
Kids-
going to watch another video. In the second video, you are going to watch about the sound all or some words that end with AL or all sounds. Remember that L, LE or all AL say the same. Now students again bring a paper or you can write directly in the chat box. Write as many words as you can that you will watch the video that end with all or AL letters. So students, are you ready?
Yes, we are ready.
Yes, Mr.
Good. If you have got any problem with the sound, please tell me. Let's start.
Welcome to Quick Pronunciation Tips with Mario. Today we'll be talking about words that end in the combination of letters AL, which is pronounced all. Some examples of words that end in this combination of letters are local, animal, technical, practical, special. Let's take a look at animal, for example. Notice how it is pronounced animal, not animal, right? It is very easy to get confused with this pronunciation because in Spanish, we say things, we say words exactly as they are written. So, now you know, it is all, not al. Let's take a look at the words again. Local, animal, technical, practical, special, actual, historical. Thanks for watching and see you next time on Quick Pronunciation Tips with Mario.
Well, now students, you have to write as many words as you can about the words that you have just watched in the video and end with all sounds or AL letters. Hamza says animal, bravo. Khalid Nawaf says local and animal, excellent. Adam Muhammad, local, animal, actual, always, okay. Special, bravo. Ghith says animal, okay. Firas says local, animal, and technical, excellent. All words are students, local, animal, technical, special, practical, actual, and historical. Well, now students, I am sure you have got the idea of our lesson today, the main objective of the lesson. Today, inshallah, we are going to learn more about the words or the two sounds L and all. Okay, now let's start.
Welcome.
Now, students, let's listen to the words ending with L or LE combination. All students, get ready. I am going to read these words which end with L or LE letters, and then I will ask two of you to help me read the words again. Listen carefully. Candle, candle. People, people. Apple, apple. Ankle, ankle. Table, table. Castle, castle. Now, students, let's ask Ghith. Are you there, Ghith?
Yes, mister.
Need your help to read the first three of these vocabularies which end with L or LE letters.
Candle. People. Apple.
Excellent, Ghith. Good. Now let's ask Abdullah Muhammad. Are you there, Abdullah?
Yes, teacher.
Allah, now you can go ahead with the second group of words that end with L or LE letters. Go ahead.
Ankle, table, castle.
No, T here is not pronounced. Okay? Castle.
Castle.
Bravo, Abdullah. Good reading. Now, students, let's go to the second group of words which end with all or AL letters. Listen carefully to me while I am reading these vocabularies, and then I will ask one of you to read them again. Sandal, sandal. Animal, animal. Cereal, cereal. Now let's ask Firas to help us read these vocabularies again.
Yes, teacher.
Firas, help us read these vocabularies again, which end with all or AL letters. Go ahead.
Sandal. Animal. Cereal.
Not sandal, animal, cereal, like this. Sandal, animal, animal, cereal. Again, Firas.
Sandal. Animal. Cereal.
Not animal, animal, animal.
Animal.
Good,
Cereal.
good. Bravo, Firas. Thanks a lot. Well, now students, we have a practice. Time for practice. Here, students, circle the correct word ending. Circle the correct word ending, then write the words. Teacher, write the word swear. You have to write the words in the chat box. So, students, look at the picture and choose the correct ending, the correct sound ending. Okay? I will read the word and then you guess what is the sound at the end of each one. Sandal, sandal. What is the ending sound of this word? Is it L or all sound? Write in the chat box. Firas, bravo. So Firas is the first one. Firas, turn on your microphone, please.
Yes, teacher.
Sandal, what is the ending sound of the word sandal?
All.
Good. Excellent, Firas. Now, students, listen to me reading the second one. People. People. Students, write in the chat box the ending sound of the word people. This is Adam. Adam is the first. Excellent, Adam. Now, Adam, you can turn on your microphone.
Yes, sister.
Adam, what is the ending sound of the word people?
L-E.
Yeah, L-E, or you can say it L sound. L sound. Say it, Adam.
L sound.
Good, bravo. Now, students, let's go to the third one. Animal, animal. Students, write in the chat box what is the ending sound of the word animal. The first one is, this is Reith. Reith. So, Reith is the first one. Reith, what is the ending sound of the word animal?
L.
All, animal. Look here, animal. Again, Reith, what is the ending sound of the word animal?
All.
Bravo, all, bravo, Reith. Let's go to the next one. Students, what is the ending sound of the word table? What is the ending sound of the word table? Let's check the chat box. The first one is Firas again. Firas, are you there?
From the first one.
Yes, teacher.
Firas, what is the ending sound of the word table?
L. L.
L.
L.
Bravo. Good. This is the ending sound of the word table, L or LE letters. Good. The last one, students. What is the ending sound of the word apple? Apple. Write in the chat box. This is Let's give a chance to Khalid Nawaf. Khalid, are you there?
Yes, teacher.
Khalid, what is the ending sound of the word apple?
L-E.
Yeah, these are the letters, but I am asking about the sound. How can you pronounce the ending of the word apple?
L.
Like this. Say it again, Khalid.
L.
Bravo, good Khalid.
Sorry.
Let's go to the second exercise. Practice again. Here, students, you have to fill in the blanks with the correct word. You have got 6 sentences and you have got 6 words. You have to fill in the space or the blank with the correct word. The words are people, candle, table, cereal, apple, and sandals. Students know that these words end with L sound or OL sound. L sounds, which is L, E letters, and OL sounds, which is A and L letters. Students, I will read each sentence and then I will ask you one by one to find the correct answer. Get ready. Number 1. Could you please put it on the what? On the. Now, students, let's give a chance to your classmate, Anas Muhammad.
Yes, teacher.
Anas, is the correct one for number 1? What do you think is the correct answer? Could you please put it on the what?
On the table.
On the table. Excellent. This is the correct answer. So, Anas, can you read the full question again?
You please put it on the table.
Bravo, good reading. Students, let's go to number 2. In the summer, when the weather is warm, I like to wear my what? Let's give the chance to Khalid Ahmed. Khalid.
Me, teacher, or Khalid Ahmed?
Khalid Ahmed.
Yes, teacher.
Khalid, what do you think is the correct answer for number 2? In the summer, when the weather is warm, I like to wear my what?
Sandals.
Sandals. Perfect. Khalid, can you read the sentence again?
In the summer, when the weather is warm, I like to wear my sandals.
Bravo, Khalid. Students, let's go to number 3. I will light up the what? Now, because it's too dark. Let's ask Muhammad Ali Eid. Muhammad, are you there? Muhammad? A problem in Muhammad's internet connection or microphone? I don't know. So let's ask Hashim Naji. Hashim Naji.
Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher.
Okay, now it's time for Hashim and then Muhammad Ali Eid. Hashim Naji, are you there?
Yes, teacher.
Hashim, what do you think is the correct answer for number 3? I will light up the now because it's too dark.
Candle.
The candle. Excellent. So, Hashim, please read the full sentence again.
I will light up the candle now because it's too dark.
Bravo. So, I'm asking what is the meaning of light up? Light up. Students, all students, I am asking about the meaning of lights up in Arabic. What do you think is the meaning of lights up?
يشعل.
Bravo, excellent. The meaning of
يشعل.
lights up, students, is
يضوي.
يشعل. Light يضوي أو يشعل, lights up the candle. Bravo, students. Let's go now to Muhammad Ali Eid. Are you there, Muhammad?
Yes, teacher.
Muhammad, let's go to number 4. What do you think is the correct answer? Sam likes to have what with milk for breakfast?
Cereal.
Cereal, bravo. So, Muhammad, please read the full sentence again.
Sam likes to have cereal with milk for breakfast.
Wow, perfect, Muhammad. So, students, let's go to number 5. There are many what? Waiting in the queue. There are many what waiting in the queue. Let's ask Ali Abdul Aziz.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.
Walaikum assalam. Ali, what do you think is the correct answer for number 5? There are many what waiting in the queue.
People.
There are many people. Bravo. So, can you read us this sentence again?
There are many people waiting in the
Queue.
queue.
Bravo. Good. Good reading, Ali Abdul Aziz. Great. Get ready. The last sentence is, and what a day keeps the doctor away. This is a saying in English. And what a day keeps the doctor away. If you eat once a day, the doctor will be away. Ghith, what do you think is the correct answer?
It's apple.
Apple, good. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Ghith, please read the full sentence again.
An apple a day keeps the doctor away.
Bravo. Good, Ghith. Bravo, all students who participated doing this activity. I am proud of you all. Now, get ready, students, for the second activity. Time for another practice. Read and fill in the blanks. So it's a time for reading. You have to read and fill in the blanks with these words: animal, hospital, bottle, little, people, jungle, and ankle. Note that, students, all these words end with the sounds L or all sounds, LE or AL letters, which sound the same, L or all sounds. At the beginning, students, I will read the full paragraphs and then I will ask you to find out the correct answer, to fill in the blank with the correct word. Get ready. Listen carefully. Monday. On Monday, I visited my friend Linda in where? She injured her what? I stayed with her for a what time? Now, let's do the first part. Let's ask Talal Bashar. Are you there, Talal? Talal, on Monday, I visited my friend Linda in the what?
Hospital.
Hospital, bravo. On Monday, I visited my friend Linda in the hospital. Bravo, Talal. Let's go to Salim. Salim, she injured her what?
Animal.
No.
Animal.
No. She injured herself. She injured her what? Not her animal, herself. So what exactly in herself? What? I am helping you, Sam. Look at your. So all the classmates or your classmates will help you. Students, get ready. Salim needs your help. What do you think is the correct answer? Let's help Salim. She injured her what?
Ankle.
Ankle, bravo. Good.
I didn't think of everything.
Bravo, good. So Now, students, I will lower all hands to be fair, and then all students get ready who would like to participate in this activity. Please raise your hand if you would like to participate. I will choose you and pick you one by one. Good. Now, let's go to Ali Abdelaziz Asad. Ali, are you there?
Yes, teacher.
Ali, what do you think is the correct answer for number 3? I stayed with her for a time. For what time?
Little.
For a little time. Bravo. Ali, can you help us to read this part?
On Monday, I visit my friend Landon in the hospital. She
Injured?
injured her ankle. I stayed with her for a little time.
Bravo, Ali. Good reading. Now, students, get ready to go to the next day, the next part of reading. Tuesday. On Tuesday, my family and I decided to watch a documentary film. Decided to watch a documentary about the largest what in Africa, where many dangerous what live. Let's go to your classmates. Anas Muhammad, are you there, Anas?
Yes, teacher, I am here.
Yes, let's do this part. On Tuesday, my family and I decided to watch a documentary about the largest what in Africa.
The largest jungle.
About the largest jungle in Africa, maybe, but yeah, this is the correct answer. Bravo, good. So let's go to Ahmed Muhammad. Are you there, Ahmed?
Yes, teacher.
Ahmed, you have just
Yes.
listened to your classmate Anas. He said that on Tuesday, my family and I decided to watch a documentary about the largest jungle in Africa, where many dangerous what live.
Dangerous animal.
Dangerous animals live. Bravo, good, Ahmed, and perfect for Anas Muhammad. Now, Ahmed, can you help us read the second part? What happened on Tuesday?
On Tuesday, my family and I decided to watch a documentary about the largest jungle in Africa, where many dangerous animals live.
Wow, perfect reading. Now, students, let's go to the third day. On Wednesday, what happened on Wednesday? On Wednesday, my sister took me the past of take. On Wednesday, my sister took me to the supermarket. There were a lot of what? Waiting in the queue. I only wanted to buy a what of water because I was so thirsty. Let's ask Khalid Ahmed and Ghaith. Get ready. Khalid Ahmed.
Yes, teacher.
Khalid, on Wednesday, my sister took me to the supermarket. There were a lot of what? Waiting in the queue.
There were a lot of people.
A lot of people. Bravo, Khalid. Good. Ghaith, are you there?
Yes, Mister.
Ghaith, there were a lot of people waiting in the queue. I only wanted to buy a what of water?
A bottle of water.
A bottle of water. Bravo, because I was so thirsty. Bravo, Ghaith. Let's give a chance to Hashim Naji. Are you there, Hashim? If you would like to read the
Yes, teacher.
the third part. Okay, go on reading with the third part. What happened on Wednesday?
One Wednesday, my sister took me to the supermarket. There were a lot of people waiting in the queue. I only wanted to buy a bottle of I only wanted to buy a bottle of water because I was so thirsty.
Bravo, good reading. Bravo, Hashim Naji. So students, here you can see all these words that end with L sound, which is combination of the letter L and E, L sound. And some of them end with all, like signal, hospital, and sandal, which is a combination of the letters A plus L. Here, students, this is the correct classification or the correct sort of these vocabularies depending on the ending sound. Now I will ask one of you. Let's ask Ahmed. Are you there, Ahmed? Ahmed Muhammad?
Yes, teacher.
And Khalid. Khalid Ahmed. Ahmed Muhammad and Khalid Ahmed.
Yes, teacher.
Let's start with Khalid. Khalid, can you help us read these vocabularies that end with the sound all or combination of letters A plus L?
Thunder. Animal. Signal. Hospital.
Bravo, good reading, Khalid. Let's go to Ahmed. Ahmed, are you there?
Yes, teacher.
Ahmed, can you help us read these vocabularies that end with the sound L or combination of letters L plus E? Go ahead.
Apple, puzzle, candle, castle, litten, table, handle, ankle, pickle, circle, people, middle, bottle, puddle, jungle, bundle.
And the bundle, bravo, Ahmed. Good reading for Ahmed and a nice reading for Khalid. Thank you, all students. Now, students, it's a time for writing. Now, students, you have to write a simple sentence for each of these pictures. You have 4 pictures. You have to use the word next to each one. For example, people, you have to write a sentence not less than from 9 to 10 words, and you have to use the word people. Okay, students, I will share you a link using a Padlet wall. Students, here in the chat box, I have just sent you a link. Just click on the link, and you will find a Padlet wall. Right on the wall, only a simple sentence. Choose only one picture of these 4 pictures and write a simple sentence. You have to use the word next to each picture. For picture number 1, you have to use the word people. For picture number 2, you have to use the word cereal. For picture number 3, you have to use the word apple. For picture number 4, you have to use the word table. Students, only one sentence because we are out of time. And after the lesson, inshallah, you can complete your answer. In class 6-2, but I don't know who wrote this sentence. Students who wrote, I love apples. Khalid Ahmed Al-Maheza says, I like to eat my cereal with warm milk because it melts and it becomes delicious. Bravo, Khalid Ahmed Al-Maheza. Bravo, good sentence. Who else, students? The lesson is about to finish. I want you all to participate in this activity. Try your best, try your hardest, and write a simple sentence about one of the 4 pictures. Talal Bashar says, I meet a lot of people. Okay, you have to use, it's better to use a keyword for the present simple tense. For example, I always meet a lot of people in the park or at the park. Salim Ahmed. Salim says, I have a crafting table. Bravo. Good, Salim. Who else? Students. Khalid Nawaf, Khalid Atiq from class 6-2 says, where is the cereal? It's on the table. Khalid is asking, he asks one of his classmates, for example, where is the cereal? It's on the table. Bravo, Khalid Nawaf. Who else? Students who are writing, please send your answer only one sentence because we are out to finish the lesson. We are about to end our lesson today. Firas Yusuf Al Said says, when I was young, I didn't like to eat cereal, but now it's my favorite breakfast. Bravo. Yesterday, I forgot where I put my laptop and my mother told me that she saw it on the table. Excellent, good Firas. Anas Muhammad says, I saw a lot of people in the new mall. I saw a lot of people. Bravo. My brother likes to eat cereal every morning because it's delicious. 3, I always give a small apple to my teacher so he gets a good vibes. I don't know what is the meaning of vibes, but anyway, good one. Number 4, I was looking for my phone. It was on the table.
يعني راحة ومتعة.
Okay, I'll check it after the lesson, inshallah. Thanks for Anas. Thank you, Anas Muhammad, Ahmad Muhammad Al Ali. Thanks. Khalid Ahmad Al Mehiza, Atal Al Bashar, Khalid Nawaf, Khalid Atiq, Salim Ahmed, Abdullah Muhammad, Firas Yusuf, Hashim Naji, and thank you for all the students who participated in our lesson today. Thank you, all my students. This is the end of our lesson today. Have a nice weekend and have a nice Eid. So, students, this is the end of our lesson today. See you. Goodbye. Have a nice Eid.
إن أعجبك الفيديو لا تنسى الإعجاب والاشتراك في القناة.